Hello everyone, let's learn how to create popular urban jungle trend for you TikTok videos. This trend now is viral, and it's very easy to create that video. The process is same for iOS and Android, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. The apps we are going to use is CapCut editing app and TikTok. So the first step we need to do is to download a jungle photo from Chrome, so go on Chrome on your device. Now we are going to use a website pxels.com. That website have 100% of free photos and videos. This means that your video will not be copyrighted. Then on this search bar go to type jungle and go on search. So you see a lot photos, and go to any photo you want. I will go on this. So now tap on this green button where is written free download in top left corner over a photo, and on that way you are download a photo. So second step is download a urban jungle font, so we will go again on Chrome and go to type a urban jungle font. And go on this first website. I'm leaving a link of this site in description. And then go to zoom to this download button and click on it to download a font. The next step is to go on CapCut video editing app, and go to add a new project and go to add a photo you download. I will rotate show this photo to 16:9 and zoom in on full screen. Also you need to have minimum 10 seconds of video for this trend. Next when you do that go to add text. I will write a name of this channel, you can write whatever you want. And now has come a main step, we need to activate a font we download. Go on this plus button to add font, then go on upload file. And now on this where's my drive, scroll to right and go on file manager. Then scroll to the bottom and go on urban jungle file. You see this 3 file and go to choose last one, and on that way you are add font to CapCut. So now select a font and change it. And move a text where you want, and expand a text on whole video. And last go to download this video. When you finish this go on TikTok, and go on discover and search for urban jungle trend. Then go on a video and find a TikTok where is written try this template, and click on it. Next use template in CapCut, and go on use template. So now select the video you are download, and wait a couple of seconds to this template loading a video. So last go to export this video on button in top right corner of the screen, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.